Hi, in this video I'll show you how to add participants for team competition. We have two methods to add teams into the competition. First one is the manual method. The manual method allows to create number of teams and add participants into each team. This method is easy if team count is less with less number of participants. So in the manual method, click on Add a Team button to create a team. Here, optionally, you can replace the auto-populated name with a new name. And also you can provide a team profile picture and click on All Agents to add agents to the team. You can use the filter to filter agents based on teams or locations and etc. You can add agents one by one if you don't want to include all of them. Or you can click on this button to add everyone you see on the list all at once. You can go to the Participants tab to see the agents, those who are selected to be part of the team. Just in case, if you want to remove any agent, you can click on the checkbox, and if you click on the Remove Selected button, it will remove the selected agent. And to create this team, click on Create. Same way you can add more teams. Now let's see how the based on type method is working. Based on type method is very useful for large teams with several agents. In this approach, we create teams based on some attribute of the agents. For example, let's create two teams based on the location of agents. To do this, select location as a type. Now click on Add Teams. You can see the number of entities for the type that I selected. Also, you can see the number of agents under each type. Now select the teams you want to add and click on Save. Now you can click on Update Teams button to add more teams. So this method is very useful to quickly create competitions that include many teams. Thanks for watching.